Hello everyone. For those of you that have been following along on the Triumph, I haven't made any videos for quite a while. My brother and I have been working on it. He has put forth a huge effort on getting the dash put in and the instrumentation hooked up. And I've been focusing on sanding and buffing the sheet metal. And putting on a few pieces. Got the back of the car pretty well done, except for a couple of lights in the bumper. All nice and shiny. I've got the hood already buffed and working on one of the doors. We're leaving the doors off until Tim gets done with the dash and however much interior work we want to do. Makes access so much easier. And we want to get the dash in so that the instrumentation can be hooked up so we can start the motor. We've rebuilt it, put in the hardened valve seats, rings, bearings, and several valves and new springs, and cam and lifters. So it should be a really nice fresh motor. But we haven't started it yet. So we want to start it before we put all the front sheet metal on. That way if we have to crawl over it, we don't have to be quite as careful. So that's it. It's coming along pretty nice. And I'll try to drop a video from time to time as we make more progress. The owner of the Lotus picked it up today. He's quite happy. I got the Cobra back on the lift, keeps it out of the way, and I've got a little bit of work to do on it. I bought a Sniper fuel injection for it, got the electronic ignition for it that I may put in. Since everything's computer controlled, might as well go all the way. So once again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.